Aha. You know, knowing does not amount to doing. To implement, to action a policy, to action a, a thought, we need a lot of skills. See, everybody knows most of the thing. We take pride in knowing things. But knowing does not amount to doing. It's very important to break free from just knowing and to focus, to implement things, to make it actionable. Only then things work. Telling is not showing. Many times we tell people how to do certain things, but we seldom show them how to do things. We got to be demonstrating to people most of what we tell them to do. Knowing is not doing. Telling does not amount to showing. And wishing and hoping to be in the present moment does not amount to delinking from the past. We may wish, we may hope to be able to let go of our past grief, past sorrow, but enabling ourselves, ensuring that we are devoid of regret of the past, devoid of grief, devoid of having a sense that I'm a victim of the past, is different from just wishing and hoping that it happens. It just does not happen by wishing and hoping. So wishing and hoping to let go, to drop the past and to be in the present moment is very important. It is not just wishing and hoping, it is the ability to really de-link the past and to have the experience of being in the present. Things happen in the present, and present moment can be divided into bit and bit, like a second from a minute and millisecond from a second, and further the present moment that is potent needs to be delinked from the past, disengaged from the past. But just wishing and hoping that it happens does not make it happen. We got to work to make it happen. We got to go little by little, dividing the present into its littlest components, littlest factors. So knowing does not amount to doing, telling does not amount to showing or demonstrating, and wishing and hoping to dealing from the past. Simply wishing and hoping does not amount to being in the present moment.